Great. For many years now, Kamraj Sir has been an integral part of Silver Oaks, mentoring students and nurturing their musical talent across all the 3 campuses in Hyderabad. What we heard just now was more than melody. It was a moment of stillness, a pause before the celebration. Much like Sankranti, which begins with gratitude before festivity, this evening starts with reflection before expression. With that calm in our hearts, we welcome you to a celebration that honors our land, our people, and our shared heritage. Welcome to witnessing our opera, Sankranti, the Festival of India. I once again welcome our chairman, Prasad Garu, our directors, Dhananjaya sir and Nilima ma'am, Director Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, Rachna ma'am, Principal of Oakwinds Campus, and the leadership team from Oakwinds Campus. I think we all must know, if it is a blockbuster show, we would have a repeat audience. How many of you are a repeat audience from show 1? Raise your hands, please. Quite a few. Any repeat audience from yesterday's performance? Okay. So you would all know that back to back, we've just had 2 operas. This is the 3rd show. And I'm sure this is going to be as equally a blockbuster as the first 2 shows. So, the parent community, I also welcome you. Your presence makes this celebration complete. Sankranti is a festival that brings people together to acknowledge effort, to celebrate abundance, and to move forward with hope. Your presence this evening reflects that the same spirit of togetherness. And if you all would have been here yesterday, I compared Sir to a lighthouse. Today in show 1, I told that he is the root of Silver Oaks. Whatever I may compare him to, the qualities, the values remain the same. He has humility, a long-term vision, and he ensures that our school grows stronger each year. And like a lighthouse or the Silver Oaks tree, he is always deeply grounded, generous in giving, and steady to rise along with us to greater heights. I now invite our director, sir, to address the gathering.
Director Education, Sita Murthy Madam, Chairman Sir, Director Nilima, Principals Rachna Sharma, Umadevi Madam, Vice Principal Sri Priya Madam, Admin Officer, Mama Israru, dear parents and my dear students, a warm welcome to this wonderful show. I know that you are all anxiously waiting to see the students, to see your children on the dais. A few things from my side. Okay, this is the 5th academic year of Silver Oaks International School, Oakdale campus. I am quite happy the way things are moving on and we are evolving nicely in terms of teaching learning program, in terms of curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We have made a mark of our own in 10th CBSE board exam result and securing various medals and prizes in various games and sports. Everything is in place, the faculty, the coaches, the infrastructure, and now it is the turn of the students to make use to the fullest potential to make a mark of their own. In that context, the higher awareness levels of the parents will help children grow in a wonderful manner. Okay. This kind of luxury of having a 2 acres for car parking, you cannot imagine in future. Please get ready for carpooling or for having alternative arrangements in future. Okay? The every inch of the 7.5 acres, we want to make use for the children, for the studies, for the play and games and sports, like that. So, for the sake of games and sports facilities, we the elders need to adjust a lot, and kindly bear with us what are all the inconveniences which you faced while coming here. The other thing which I would like to tell you is keep the trust and confidence and utmost respect towards the teachers and towards the school and its rules and regulations all the time. Then only you can derive maximum advantage from the institution. That is the way we operate, and we are getting into the Silver Jubilee year next year. This is the 24th academic year, and 25th academic year of Silver Oaks is going to be started very soon, that is from March onwards. Throughout the academic year, we are planning certain programs for Alumni Association and for the teachers, students and parents. Please participate in all those things and bless the children. And the one word of caution here is the first show students who finished the program, parents, please be careful in keeping them with you. They are running here and there. Without supervision, they may get into injuries. And especially the lawn is also having so much undulation. The grandparents and the children need to be doubly careful while walking here and there. The music system and lighting wires are there, so be watchful about all these things. And the one more assurance from our side is the senior management team of Silver Oaks is always available for all of you. Please take us into confidence and discuss with us for any help with regarding to teaching, learning, or discipline, or games, or anything like that. We will be available in the school. Okay. And please be confident in approaching us and discussing with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the vision for the past 24 years and steadily going forward. Like I compared, sir, with the lighthouse and the roots of a Silver Oaks tree, I compared our Director Education, Sita Murthy ma'am, to the light of the lighthouse and the tall oak trees. Be what it may, her vision is always deeply rooted, steadily growing and widespreading with its purpose. She envisions learning as a living ecosystem where values are roots, understanding is the trunk, and every learner becomes a branch reaching towards the light. Under her guidance, Silver Oaks continues to grow with integrity, relevance, and resilience. Much like Shankranti, which celebrates continuity, renewal together, and her vision honors tradition while opening pathways for new ideas, ensuring that every child's learning is meaningful, future-ready, and deeply connected to life. Ma'am, I invite you to address the audience.
Good evening to all the parents. The ones who have been here yesterday and the ones who have been here for show one. What I'm going to say is going to be a repeat telecast with a little difference. To all the parents who are sitting here, you're parents of grade 2 children, grade 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a very challenging age, by the way, because these children are very curious. They're highly exposed to technology and usage of devices, YouTube, Reels, and things like that. And the video games, if I'm right, the video games also. And of course, we don't give the phones and iPads in the school. Somebody else at home gives it, I think. Who gives it? All parents who give devices to the children, please raise your hands. If your children get spoiled, don't come and ask us. We are not responsible. We teach, you can see character and competence, we teach that. We make sure children are growing up with mantras of Mahatma, learner profile, 12 cultures of the school. But if those video games make them violent, you bear the violence, don't let them bring it to the school. If the video games teach them that, they can beat anyone, they can be rough with anyone, you bear it, don't let them bring it to the school. At the same time, when they watch movies with you, movies which are not highly recommended for that age group, or if they're talking to children in the neighborhood and they're picking up foul language, please be cautious about it, because this is the vulnerable age where they'd like to ape the older children. They like to imitate the older students or the older ones in the neighborhood. They like to sit with the older students or children and pick up whatever. They like to listen to whatever they are talking, and they try to imitate that. I do notice some children using foul language very easily, showing certain symbols which even you as an adult may not show, but they're picking up all these things from wherever it is not required. Of course, there are many parents who think that best way is to send children to a tuition after they come back home, so that, we don't have to monitor them too much. But you may not know this, but we do gather lots of information from everybody. Even in the tuition centers, they're likely to pick up things, words, thoughts, foul language, which are not highly recommended. And if any of you, even at the weakest of the moment, you feel like buying a device for your child, think 100 times. Because whatever abnormal behavior is going to come after that, you will have to live with it, and so will we have to. So devices, video games, cartoons, all these things, if you think, thank God the child is quiet for some time, think once again, because that child is going to live with you for the next 20 years. And that child's behavior is going to be a big challenge for you as parents. And for us as teachers in the school, because an unhappy child, a disturbed child, cannot learn very well. You and I can argue for the whole time as to why my child is not learning, but the root cause could be something else altogether. So devices, be extremely careful. When you say no, let it be a capital no. Let them know that when my father or when my mother says no, it means it's a no, they will not give the device. They may cry for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 10 days. But after that, they'll get used to the idea that my parents will not give me the device. And make sure that there are enough books at home or games which can make them think, that they can be engaged with them. The next thing is, parenting is a very tough tightrope walk in the current days. While in many cases, both parents are working, your timings are very, very challenging to you, your careers are very important, we respect that. But at the same time, if you have chosen to bring a child to this planet, as important as your career is, the child's upbringing is that important. So please make sure that there is a positive, harmonious environment at home. I see in my 35 years of experience in education in schools, it's not just children's generations that I've seen, but I've seen parents' generations also. In the last 5 to 8 years, I've seen, or maybe 10 years, I've seen more and more disturbed families, more and more families where there are conflicts at home or separated families, and the children show these things when they come to school, because this is the only social setup they come to, and the kind of behaviors that manifest from a disturbed family could be very unpredictable. So all the adults sitting here, including me, all of us are responsible for our behaviors, because if we want a generation to grow up positively and harmoniously, we should be very responsible. Even if you have that weak moment where you want to fight with each other, parents, make sure that you fight after the child sleeps, or maybe take a walk. By then the anger will come down, but if you still want to shout at each other, don't do it in the presence of the children. The next thing I wanted to tell all of you is send them in good uniforms, please. Don't buy a uniform for the next 2 years. Or don't let them come in a short uniform for the next 1 year, because in any case, next year I have to buy one. Children look so shabby when they come with either small-sized or oversized uniform. Some of the boys' pants are above the ankles. The socks are showing. They look so shabby. You need to realize dressing is a very important thing in the current times. And if the child doesn't feel confident in the uniform that he comes 5 days a week, where else can, one Diwali dress that you may buy or one dress for a wedding in the family that you may buy is not going to give the confidence to the child. Every day's uniform is very, very important. Make sure it's a correct size, and we made sure that our supplier, the tailoring contractor, gives it to you at the most reasonable price. You need to make sure that there's enough saved for their right uniform, right size uniform. Don't make them wear short pants or long shirt or a long jacket for the next 3 years. Please do not do that. If I remember well, the entire budget for a uniform for 1 year will not be more than 4,000. All the pairs included. In that case, I think it is not difficult for a parent to make sure that the child comes well dressed to the school. And lastly, I'd like to request all of you, please send happy children to the school. Please send happy children and healthy children to the school, because when they come with unhappiness, it's so difficult to bring out that mood from them and get into the learning mood. Similarly, if they come with any ill health in them, they don't know that oftentimes children complain of stomach pain and headache, not because it's a physiological thing, but it's a psychological thing. Some other stress that must be happening, whether at home or for whatever reason, it manifests in the unseen stomach ache, unseen headache. These are the things that we observe in the school, and it's very important that you understand your child not as someone who gets marks in the test, but as an individual whose emotional health, is it right or not right. I think as parents, you have a bigger responsibility to ensure that the child has emotional balance. And lastly, I'd like to tell you, do not compare your children with anyone. Today, after you see them on the stage, don't go back and say, Ari, you were there right at the back, I could not see you. Why did you not ask your teacher to be there? They're collectively presenting the show. Don't compare your child with anybody, or don't make statements in a way where the child would feel lesser or inadequate compared to the others. Always speak to them positively and with trust, and celebrate every small thing. Don't make them feel like heroes, nor make them feel like zeros. Be very balanced in parenting. On that note, your children are waiting here. Between you and the children, I'm standing here only because I find every occasion that we meet parents, an important message has to be given, because a school is not a service provider. A school is a change maker. In a society where schools are usually service providers, we have chosen to be the change makers. We work for not a transactional education, but a transformational education. On that note, I wish you all the best. Let's all enjoy your children on the stage and make sure that we celebrate their individual talents. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for that insightful speech. How values make families, how to build values, even a small thing like a dress or a uniform, how it creates an impact in the child. When we talk about uniform, how big of an impact is a device in your child's hand? That is very important. And how we behave has a direct impact on the children. I now invite our principal, Uma Devi ma'am, whose leadership is marked with clarity, care, and consistency. She brings together people, processes, and purpose, ensuring that ideas are not just envisioned, but thoughtfully carried through. Her guidance keeps the school moving forward and balanced with intent. Much like the rhythm of the seasons, that Sankranti celebrates. Ma'am, may we have you on the stage?
Good evening, all the parents. Thank you for joining us for this evening show. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for creating such a vibrant learning ecosystem that where not only the learners, we as adults, as the educators also thrive in this learning ecosystem. If not for your guidance and direction, the school wouldn't have been in a place where it is now. Thank you so much for your guidance and your direction. So, dear parents, I know each one of you are eagerly waiting for your child's show. But before that, let me take this opportunity to present a brief report of highlighting the achievements, the learning milestones, and the holistic development of our students during this current academic session. Before I also begin the school report, we as a team are very proud to share that our Director of Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, has once again been elected as the regional chair for the IB India South and East region. A huge round of congratulations to you, ma'am. Ma'am, your leadership, guided by purpose, foresight, and an unwavering belief in education, continues to transform young minds and shape the future. Deeply committed to the school's vision and mission, you strive to create learning environments that inspire and empower every learner. Your visionary and progressive thinking fosters innovation and meaningful learning across all the campuses, truly making you a champion of cultures of thinking. Thank you, ma'am, for bringing all those best practices from your extensive travels across India and abroad, enriching our schools with global perspectives. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, coming to the school achievement, Silver Oaks International School, Oakdale campus has been honored by Go Sharpener, a global networking platform for its outstanding commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals, empowering students to solve real-world problems through action and innovation. This year, we have received the award. This academic year has witnessed a lot of student participation in a wide range of academic enrichment programs with a strong emphasis on leadership, critical thinking, innovation, and global awareness. Your children are in the primary years program. What does PYP do to them? In the PYP, the focus largely remains on nurturing the IB learner profile and developing thinking skills through their experiential learning. Students are engaged in various orientations, guest lectures, field trips, presentations, and hands-on experience, ensuring that learning is always relevant, engaging, significant, and challenging as well. When many students have participated in different competitions, I would like to share few of these competitions. Under the literacy and the young author initiatives, where we encourage our students to participate, the Read Bloom book platform empowers students to express their ideas, dreams, and experiences through writing and illustrations. 4 books were published this year, and the published authors, the budding authors from our campus are Vaida Nikshay, grade 6, Andrews Raffle of grade 6, Sharvani Jewelry of grade 5, and Vemaganti Divyanshi of grade 4, Japan. Vemaganti Divyanshi has also received the Best Story Award for the year 2025. Another platform, Bree Books, to encourage young authors. Students from grade 6 actively participated, showcasing creativity and imagination. Many students have received a lot of accolades in that. Moving on, we also have the art and literary events. The Cultivating Art competition, we have Nandan Kosuri of grade 2, who have received a lot of applause. Then we have the IB Overbooked, Read Between the Spines. Students from pre-primary to grade 5 participated in this signature Jaipur Literary Festival, celebrating reading and imagination through storytelling, character enactments, poetry, and book design. Now, these little ones, right from PP1 to grade 5, we have Ashrita Mishra from PP1, Diya Praveen of grade 1, Raga Sharanya from grade 2, and Litika Taluri from grade 2, Vaishnavi Mudedi from grade 4. All these students participated in this IB Overbooked contest. When we all say, during the orientation, we always mention parents, we are looking forward for parents who are positive partners, truly. We value parent partnerships in the learning journey of our students. This year, as of now, we are enriched by guest lectures from Ms. Sushma Sri Gattu, mother of Mayuki, grade 2 Krishna, and Mr. Shravan Raj Samsini, father of Ashrit Raj, grade 1 stars. Thank you, both the parents, for taking time and helping our students enrich their knowledge with your expertise. We also have the performing arts and the visual arts. Lot of competitions that we encourage our students to participate. We encourage our students to participate in the BHL cluster vocal singing competition, and we won the second place in that. 10 students participated from grade 5 to grade 7. In the visual arts, 20 students participated in the National Varli Art Competition, and the students have achieved 4 gold medals and excellence certificates. It's not just in academics. Now moving on to sports. Sports has always been a major strength of the school. Our students participated in the PYP Hyderabad network, the School Games Federation of India district and state level, CBSE clusters, BHL clusters, invitational and national level events. We have won a total number of 90 medals. 27 gold, 29 silver, and 34 bronze medals. Among all these, I would like to share what are the notable highlights. While there are so many medals that we have won, I'll just share the notable ones. In the CBSE cluster under 14 football boys, we have won the 3rd place, bronze medal. In the performing arts music CBSE cluster, we have won the 2nd position. And in the National Throwball Championship, we had Veju Vasaki and Akshara Sri from grade 9, who represented Telangana state at the nationals. In the School Games Federation of India swimming competition, we have Divija Charvi of grade 8 who was selected to represent Telangana state in the under 17 category. In the PYP swimming network, Hyderabad network, we have won 21 medals. In the State Games Federation of India district and state meets, we have won many gold, silver and bronze medals and outstanding individual performances by our grade 6 and 7 students. Moving on to skating. In the PYP network, Hyderabad network competition, our students participated and we have won 11 medals. In the district selection, 5 medals. And Pranav Reddy of grade 4 has been selected for the state level championship in the skating competition. These are the external sports competitions. What about the sports competitions that we have within the school? Every year in the month of October and November, we have the Sports Fest. And we had 1,040 students participating in the Sports Fest, right from PP1 to grade 10. And 415 students are the achievers, with 165 students receiving gold medal, 160 students receiving silver medal, and 90 of them receiving the bronze medal. It was raining all medals. All through the sports competitions, it was just raining medals and trophies. While all of you belong to the PYP, I would also like to share the achievements of the senior wing. Very soon, grade 6 students will be moving on to grade 7 to the senior wing. This would be a better platform for me to share the achievements of the senior wing as well. Students from grade 7 to 10 have participated in the Model United Nations Conference, Ambitus Man and ESOMAN. They also participated in the Young India Parliament, enhancing democratic understanding. Ayush Upadhyay of grade 9 represented the school at the national finals in Delhi as a part of the Young India Parliament. In the academic competitions, such as IPN Quest Quiz, Think You Navy Quiz by the CBSE, and Vikasit Bharat Buildathon, several students progressed to the advanced levels. At the IPN Quest Quiz National Finals, that was conducted yesterday at Delhi, Ayush Upadhyay and Krishika, both of them have participated and they emerged as national winners, bringing great pride to the school. Apart from all this, we also have innovation through our Advanced Learning Center, where the students, 25 students participate in the part of the gifted education program. We also have the 1 Million Foundation Innovation in Action for grades 8 and 9. Then the immersive multimedia show also we had given an exposure to our senior wing students. Moving on, we have the workshops which are greatly benefited from expert-led sessions. We had a 3-day Space Gen Aviation workshop by Captain Vigo for grade 6 to 10. For the girls from grade 5 to 8, we also had personal hygiene awareness session by Dr. Nudrat Sultana and Dr. Diba Ansari, giving them a lot of how to take care of their personal hygiene. That's a brief school report. There's a lot more to share, but I've just given a gist of it. As every year, this year too has been truly a journey of learning, enthusiasm, creativity, resilience, and achievement. As team at Silver Oaks, we are greatly committed to nurturing confident, compassionate, and globally minded learners. Thank you all, dear parents, for your trust in the school, continued support, and partnership in this journey of excellence. Thank you all so much.
Ma'am, it is always a pleasure to read the report where we list down the achievements of our icons. This was just a gist. Imagine the entire list. We need an hour long to read it out. And you must remember, the year is not done yet. Yet, we had so much of achievements. Now, let us go into the show itself. As we now step into the celebration, I invite the leaders who guide our learners across stages of growth and make this collective effort possible. Ms. Moshmi, PYP Coordinator, Ms. Deepshika, Junior Wing Coordinator, and Ms. Sujata, Primary Wing Coordinator, to lead us into the opera and begin Sankranti, the Festival of India, as our students bring life to the colors, values, and stories of our nation through their performances. The stage is yours.
Good evening, dear parents, respected leadership team, colleagues, and wonderful audience. Welcome to an evening where celebration becomes learning and the learning comes alive on stage.
Tonight is not just about what you see. It is about what you feel, what you reflect upon, and the stories you'll carry with home with you.
At Silver Oaks, our operas are not just performances. They are theatre and education. Through these operas, our icons build confidence, creativity, collaboration, and communication, while discovering how rich our culture truly is. We are deeply grateful to our Director Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, whose vision and ideation brings this initiative to life.
When the land rests after months of labor and the field turned golden under a generous sun, India pauses, not for silence, but for celebration. This is a season born of soil and sunshine, of patience and perseverance, and the quiet strength of those who feed the nation.
Across the vast land, gratitude takes 1,000 forms. It sings and dances. It cooks and shares. It lights fires, draws patterns on the earth, and fills the sky with colors. Different homes, different languages, different traditions, yet one shared heartbeat, thankfulness for what we have and hope for what lies ahead.
Tonight, our students bring these emotions to life, not as lessons from a book, but as stories from the heart. These tales are the tales of nature and nurture, of ancient traditions carried forward by young hands. As this journey unfolds, we invite you to watch, not just with your eyes, but with a deeper sense of meaning.
This is more than a celebration. This is the enduring spirit of India. With immense pride, we welcome you to our opera, Sankranti, the Festival of India, where traditions meet prosperity.
Let the celebration begin. Now, let us all put our hands together to call our anchors to the stage.
A very good evening to the honorable guests, parents, teachers, and my fellow acorns. Myself, Vishwateja, and my friend Viksha are here to invite you to board our magical journey across India.
Hold on tight as we travel from the misty fields of Assam
To the sweet streets of Bengal,
to the sunny Pungal fields of Tamil Nadu
to the colorful kites of Telangana,
and the fiery bonfires of Punjab.
India is a land of many stories. Each state celebrates the harvest in its own beautiful way. Different names, different rhythms, yet the same feeling of gratitude.
Makara Sankranti marks the moment the sun begins its northward journey. Uttarayan, it brings longer days, brighter mornings, and a new cycle of life on earth.
Today, as the sun sets into a pleasant cold evening, we trace this journey of the sun to the celebrations of our country.
Come, let us begin our story of light, hope, and unity.
So, where do we begin our Sankranti journey? Advika?
We start in the east, Assam. Abhay, do you know why we begin here?
Yes, it's because the sun rises in the east. Its first rays touch Assam before the rest of the country. That's why the festival begins here, just like the first light of a new day. That makes sense. And what is this festival called in Assam?
It's called Mag Bihu, also known as Bhogali Bihu. Abhay, can you explain what Bhogali means?
Of course, Bhog means feasting. This festival is all about enjoying the harvest with family and community, cooking, sharing food, singing and dancing together. That sounds so lively, and I have heard families build little huts during this festival.
Exactly. They build temporary huts called Mechi and Bhela Ghor. They cook together and celebrate through the night, enjoying the fruits of the harvest.
And at dawn, these huts are lit on fire. It's symbolic. It represents letting go of the old and welcoming new beginnings. I have also heard people prepare traditional sweets. Which ones are popular, Advika?
They prepare delicious Assami sweets like pitha, laddu, and chira made from flattened rice, coconut, and jaggery. Everyone shares them with neighbors and family.
So, Mag Bihu is truly a festival of community, gratitude, and joy. Absolutely. And tonight, Grade 4 will bring the spirit, warmth, and celebrations of Mag Bihu alive on our stage.
सेक्सेकी धिनकिटी धिन दाओ दाओ हे बोले बिहू सेक्सेकी धिनकिटी धिन दाओ दाओ धिनकिटी ढोले बाओ ओए ती तल पे पाबा ओए धिनकिटी ढोले बाओ ती तल पे पाबा ओ डाঙৰ মা সৰু মা ৰুণু মা জুনু মায় সবে মিলি বিহুকে গা সবে মিলি বিহুকে গা টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ কণ বিলাহী খুতৰা টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ আলু গুটি পিটিকা টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ টকালি ঐ টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ তোমাৰ যিহে চেহেৰা ঐ টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ চালে চকুৰুৱা টিকটিকি মইনা বাখৰ মিলালেহে মিলিব
ইলাই হালে জালে দুবৰিবন ইলফা হালে জালে দুবৰিবন লাই হালে জালে দুবৰিবন ইলফা হালে জালে দুবৰিবন ঐ কিনো অসমীয়াৰ বিহুতি আহিলে একোতে নবহে মনে একি ঐ মনে নিলে একি ঐ ধনে নিলে একি ঐ এ ধনে কাঢ়ি নিলে বৰ নৈ দাঁতিতে কাপোৰ ধোৱা ঘাট ইনুই কানে কানে চেনাই পেপাৰ মাত এই পেপাৰ মাতে শুনি কাপোৰ ধুই থাকোতে পাতৰো মেলিলে হাতে একি ঐ মনে নিলে একি ঐ ধনে নিলে একি ঐ ধনে কাঢ়ি নিলে মন হেৰে পিলি লাং লাং এজাকৈ মাৰিবলৈ ওলাই যাম হেৰে পিলি লাং লাং এজাকৈ মাৰিবলৈ ওলাই যাম হায় সৰু মই হায় ডাঙৰ মই পদুমণি বিলাতে মাছৰ জাল উঠিছে বেগেতে আছোনে মুঠি হেৰে পিলি দেহিতে দেহি হৈ থাকেনো মোকে জোকাই দেহি দেহি হৈ ময়োনো নজৰ মিলাও ময়োনো নজৰ মিলাও থাকত
From Assam, our celebration flows gently westwards to the artistic and soulful land of Bengal, where Sankranti is known as Posh Parban. The name comes from the Bengali month Posh, the time of the winter harvest. The day begins with a holy dip at Ganga Sagar, where the river meets the sea. A moment believed to bring purity and peace. Ganga Sagare Snan Kole Mon Shanto Hoy. This means that a dip at Ganga Sagar is believed to calm the mind and bring inner peace. Homes filled with the fragrance of freshly harvested rice, coconut, and the famous Nalan Gur, Bengal's treasured date palm jaggery. From these come the delicious pithe, puli, and payesh, sweets that make this festival unforgettable. Making these sweets together is a warm family tradition. Grandparents and parents teach children how to shape the pithe, and the kitchen becomes a happy place. Pithe toiri mane phalo basha bhakhora. This beautifully reminds us that making pithe is not just about food, but about sharing love and togetherness. In Shantiniketan, the home of learning founded by Rabindranath Tagore, Posh Parban is celebrated through open-air gatherings, art, and the soulful music of ball singers playing the Ektara. Posh Parban is all about food, family, and fun. It celebrates the joy of the harvest in the sweetest way, presenting greatly with the delightful celebration of Posh Parban.
ঢুকি নাচে ধাপুর ধুপু নাচে নাচুক সই পায় নাচে সোনারি নুপু হারকি নাচে সই ঢুকি নাচে ধাপুর ধুপু নাচে নাচুক সই পায় নাচে সোনারি নুপু হারকি নাচে সই আর আমার শরীর নাচে মন তো নাচি না পশু পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা দিন যায় দিন আসে 13 পার্বণ 12 মাসে দিন যায় দিন আসে 13 পার্বণ 12 মাসে পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা আরে পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা ঢুকি নাচে ধাপুর ধুপু নাচে নাচুক সই জবার ফুল নাচে নাচে নাচুক সই খোপা করা চুল নাচে হাতি নাচে সই কানে আমার দোল নাচে মন তো নাচে পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা ঢাকি নাচে দাপর দুপুর নাচে নাচুক সই মাই নাচে সোনার নুপুর আর কি নাচে সই আর আমার শরীর নাচে মন তো নাচে পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা দিন যায় দিন আসে 13 পার্বণ 12 মাসে দিন যায় দিন আসে 13 পার্বণ 12 মাসে পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা পৌষ পিঠার গুড়ি কোটা সুখের যন্ত্রণা আইলা মকর কড়কড়ি গেলা মকর দিন করে আইলা মকর কড়কড়ি গেলা মকর দিন করে আইরে খোকা আইরে খুকি আইরে খোকা আইরে খুকি ওই গতি দিল সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন এলো ও ভাই পৌষ পাবন এলো খেতে দিমু পিঠে পুলি খেতে দিমু পিঠে পুলি হয় মোরাঙ্গিনা মকর সংক্রান্তি নিয়ে গল্প বলি আয় ও ভাই গল্প বলি আয় ওই যে দেখো ঘুড়ি ওড়ে ওড়ে গো আকাশ পারে আর ওই যে বউ ধান ভানের ঢেঁকিতে পার দিয়া দেখো নাচে গো দুলিয়া আইলা মকর কড়কড়ি গেলা মকর দিন করে আইলা মকর কড়কড়ি গেলা মকর দিন করে এসো পৌষ যেও না জন্ম জন্ম ছেড়ো না এসো পৌষ যেও না জন্ম জন্ম ছেড়ো না যদি বা ছাড়িবে তুমি পরাণে মরিব আমি সোনার পৌষ আবার হোস বাউরি বেঁধে দিব টুসু গান গাইয়া মুই আনন্দে মাতিব ধানের গাদার সামনে তোরা আলপনা এগি দে রে দেখ শিউলিরা এসেছে নলেন গুড়ের হাড়ি নিয়ে রে জয়নগরের মোয়া নিয়ে বয়রা এলো গো সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন এলো ও ভাই পৌষ পাবন এলো সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন এলো ও ভাই পৌষ পাবন এলো সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন এলো সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন সুখের বেশে মোদের দেশে পৌষ পাবন ও ভাই পৌষ পাবন
Pongal Nallaval Tukal. Happy Pongal. Tejram, after traveling through the east, where does the sun guide us next on this festive journey? To the beautiful south, Tamil Nadu, where Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Pongal. Sasra, do you know what the word Pongal means? Yes, Pongal means to boil over. Freshly harvested rice is boiled with milk in a clay pot. When it overflows, everyone joyfully calls out, Pongalo, Pongal. It's a symbol of abundance. Ennalil, Nagal, Puduttai, Udatti, Kundadum Vom. Tejram, did you understand what I said? I said we wear new dresses on our celebrations. Exactly. And Pongal isn't just a one-day festival. It lasts 4 days. Bogi Surya Pongal, Mattu Pongal, and Kanu Pongal. Each day has its own traditions. My favorite is Surya Pongal, when families thank the sun god for a good harvest. Homes are decorated with beautiful kolam designs made from rice flour. They're not just pretty, they're believed to invite prosperity. And on Mattu Pongal, farmers decorate their cows and bulls with colorful paints, garlands, and bells. It's their way of thanking the animals that help in the field. Yes, and in some parts of Tamil Nadu, people also celebrate Jallikattu. Idil Engal Veerathai Kattuvom. It's a traditional event that has been part of Tamil culture for centuries. It reflects courage, community pride, and the close bond people share with their cattle. There's also so much delicious food. Families prepare Sakrai Pongal with jaggery, ghee, and cashews. Sugarcane is enjoyed in every home. Pongal truly brings together gratitude, tradition, and celebration in the most colorful way. And now we have our greatest icons who are super excited to present the rich spirit and energy of Pongal on our stage.
Harish sir, may I request you to just pause? Harish sir. So one car is obstructing near the skating ring. I repeat, one car is obstructing near the skating ring. I'll tell the car number. That is TS09GE6161. TS09GE6161. Please kindly do the needful. And one more is there. This is TG08S6335. TG08S6335.
வாழ்வின் வழியே போராட்டம்
கரும்பாகும் பொங்கல் விருந்தாகும் கல்வி கரும்பாகும் பொங்கல் விருந்தாகும்
இங்க குருவி பருந்தாகும் கனவு நனவாகும்
கரும்ப கடிச்சிடத்தா முடிஞ்சாக்கா இனிப்ப விடத்தி விடும்
எங்களை படிச்சிடத்தான் நினைச்சாக்கா ஃப்ளைட்டு உயரம் தொடும் பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே
பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 பிரிவினை இங்க இல்ல சொர்க்கம் உணர்ந்தவன் விடுதிக்குள்ள
பணிவு பயிர விதப்போம் கனிவா கலைய வளர்ப்போம்
தலைமுறை நம்மோட கட்டுமானம் பெற சொல்லும் வெல்லும் உயர தள்ளும்
இந்த செல்லும் வெற்றி அள்ளும் பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே
பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே
Say no more, get on the floor. Darling, get out, cause we got the low. Jaikanuma, craft things within you. Rise it up, Virunda, come on, get up and move on the floor. Culture marakade, seerum pennayum tadukade.
விதச்ச தாண்டா சோறு விதச்சவ வாழ்ந்தா ஜோறு
நெருப்பா நில்லு, வெட்சம் தள்ளு.
காலடில்லு கட்டு மல்லு படிச்சு முன்னேறு உலகம் உன்னோடு
பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே
பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே
பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 பொங்கல் பொங்கல் இந்துஸ்தான் பொங்கல் ஹே 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 ஹே.
So, we come back home to our two Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, where Sankranti is one of the most happiest festivals of the year. Yes, here Sankranti means technically. Kranti ante marpu, Sankranti ante goppa abhyudayam. రైతులు కష్టపడి పండించిన ధాన్యం ఇంటికి చేరే సమయం ఇది కాబట్టి ప్రకృతికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతూ ఈ పండుగను జరుపుకుంటారు. The festival begins with Bhogi early in the morning. Families light up the Bhogi fire and start the day together. We call it Bhogi Mantalu. On Bhogi, we burn old things in the fire. It shows a new beginning. అందరూ ఫైర్ దగ్గర కూర్చొని వామ్గా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. It feels so cozy and festive. And as the sun rises, every house looks bright with beautiful patterns. అవి ముగ్గులు made with బియ్యం పిండి and colors చాలా అందంగా ఉంటాయి. The whole street looks cheerful. And Sankranti also brings someone very special. The decorated bull that dances on the streets. అవును, అదే గంగరెద్దు. బెల్స్ కలర్స్తో చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంటుంది. And it spreads joy everywhere it goes. And another wonderful tradition is seeing a man singing and blessing homes. He is Haridasu. తానా తంబురతో పాట పాడుతూ ప్రతి ఇంటికి ఆశీర్వాదాలు ఇస్తాడు. And of course, Sankranti means kites. The sky becomes full of bright colors. Yes, kids and parents fly patangulu together. Idi chala fun, the best part of the day. And the festival food makes it even more special. We enjoy arselu, garelu, pongali and sweet bellam treats. The whole house is full of smiles and sweet smells. అందరూ సంతోషంగా ఉంటారు. It feels very good. అదే మన ఫేవరెట్ ఫెస్టివల్ సంక్రాంతి, మన సంక్రాంతి. And now great to bring you the colors and joy of our Sankranti celebration.
రానే వచ్చింది హంగులతో సిరిపూల జల్లులతో ఈనాడే సంక్రాంతి భోగి భాగ్యాలే లోగిలిలో శుభమకరాదారులలో సంబరమై సంక్రాంతి. రానే వచ్చింది హంగులతో సిరిపూల జల్లులతో ఈనాడే సంక్రాంతి భోగి భాగ్యాలే లోగిలిలో శుభమకరాదారులలో సంబరమై సంక్రాంతి. నేల తల్లి ముగ్గులతో కట్టుకుంది కావిడి పచ్చి పాల మీగడల్లె స్వచ్ఛమైన సందడి డుమ్ 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 బసవన్నెల గెంతులాట కారడి భోగి మంట చుట్టు చుట్టి చేసెనంట సవ్వడి పిప్పి డుమ్ 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 మోగింది సన్నాయి కొక్కొక్కో కొక్కర కొడి పుంజుల బడాయి రేగి పళ్ళు భోగి పళ్ళ రూపమెత్తాయి సంక్రాంతి వేడుకలంటే ఆడాలి పాడాలి చూడాలి. రానే వచ్చింది హంగులతో సిరిపూల జల్లులతో ఈనాడే సంక్రాంతి భోగి భాగ్యాలే లోగిలిలో శుభమకరాదారులలో సంబరమై సంక్రాంతి. మింగిలోన పుట్టిన ఇల్లు అలుముకున్నది నేలన వళ్ళు సంకురాత్రి పండుగ అంటే ముస్తాబయ్యి అందరి కళ్ళు వేకువ జామునే కల్లాపు చల్లి నువ్వుల నూనెతో స్నానానికెళ్ళి ఇంటిల్లి పాదంత ప్రేమగా మళ్ళీ పూలతో నింపాలి గొప్పమ్మ తల్లి నింగి పల్లకీల రంగవల్లులు రంగుల తినట్టు నేల జాడలు
హరిదాసు పాడేటి పాటలు వివరించే ఆనాటి కథలు నింగి చెరనే గాలి పటాలు సంబరాలతో ఊరువాడలు
పిప్పి డుమ్ 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 మోగింది సన్నాయి కొక్కొక్కో కొక్కర కొడి పుంజుల బడాయి రానే వచ్చింది హంగులతో సిరిపూల జల్లులతో ఈనాడే సంక్రాంతి భోగి భాగ్యాలే లోగిలిలో శుభమకరాదారులలో సంబరమై సంక్రాంతి. మట్టిలోన కట్టిన ఇల్లు పులుముకున్నది వెలుగు జల్లు వెన్నెలే కురిసి పాల పుంతగా మారే మాలోగిల్లు సిరులు పంచెను ఈ ఏట నుండి సన్నాయి మేళాల ఎద్దుల బండి ఊరంతా చేరాలి పొంగళ్ళు వండి ఆకాశం అందాలి సందళ్ళు నిండి ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ ఆడపడుచులు పరికిని గట్టిన ముందు గుమ్మలు
రాయలసీమలో కొప్పిళ్ళు ఊరూరు చేసిన జాతరలు నేలకు తెంచాలి నింగి తారాలు ఆడి పాడాలి పిల్ల పాపలు
పిప్పి డుమ్ 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 మోగింది సన్నాయి కొక్కొక్కో కొక్కర కొడి పుంజుల బడాయి రేగి పళ్ళు భోగి పళ్ళ రూపమెత్తాయి సంక్రాంతి వేడుకలంటే ఆడాలి పాడాలి చూడాలి.
अरे दैविक, तुम कौन सी भाषा में बात कर रहे हो?
यह पंजाबी है। मैं प्रदर्शन की तारीफ हमारे स्टाइल में करना चाहता था। और अब हम पहुंचते हैं पंजाब, जहाँ लोहड़ी बड़े जोश और उत्साह से मनाई जाती है।
पंजाब का नाम आते ही मन में ढोल की थाप और खुशियों की गूंज सुनाई देने लगती है।
सही कहा। पंजाब सिर्फ एक राज्य नहीं, यह ऊर्जा, संस्कृति और अपनेपन की प्रतीक है।
I have heard Lohri is very lively. How do people celebrate it?
Lohri is celebrated around a big bonfire. Families and friends gather, clap to the beat of the dole and shout, "Lohri दी लख लख बधाइयाँ।"
और हाँ, वहाँ का खाना भी कमाल का होता है। रेवड़ी, गजक, गुड़, मूंगफली और पॉपकॉर्न।
Yes, and the home smell delicious with makki di roti and sarson da saag.
And the dances are so energetic. Boys perform bhangra and girls dance gidda.
Exactly. And the people cheer with balle balle and oi hoi, chakde fatte. Everyone joins in celebrating harvest and happiness together.
Lohri really brings families, friends and communities together.
Yes, it's a festival full of warmth, joy and love from Punjab.
ढोल की थाप, ताली की गूंज,
भांगड़ा का धमाका और गिद्दा की शान।
लोहड़ी वह पल है जब पूरा पंजाब एक साथ थिरकता है।
और आज इस मंच पर इस क्षण
हम आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं वही उत्साह, वही रौनक और पंजाब की वही असली खुशबू।
And now, Grade 5 brings you the vibrant celebrations of Punjabi Lohri.
ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋੜੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਮਨਾ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਾਤ ਆਈ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਰਾਤ ਆਈ ਠੰਡੀ ਠੰਡੀ ਵਗਦੀ ਹਵਾ
ਲਾਡ ਮਲਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਮੁਹੱਬਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੋੜੀ ਸੇਕਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਵੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ
ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
ਮੂੰਹੋਂ ਮੰਗੀਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੂੰਹੋਂ ਮੰਗੀਆਂ ਮੁਰਾਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਰਮਾਇਆ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡਾ परदेसियां दा सरमाया यादां ने ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆਂ ਜਹਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਬਣਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ सुंदर मुंदरिए तेरा कौन विचारा ओ दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले दी धी व्याई ओ जेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा लाल पटाका कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा ओ सालू कौन समेटे नी अज दिन खुशियां दा आया नी अज दिन खुशियां दा आया अज दिन खुशियां दा आया नी अज दिन खुशियां दा आया रब ने अपनी मेहर बनाई रब ने अपनी मेहर बनाई सबने आके घोड़ी गाई जिउंदी रवे जोड़ी नी अज दिन खुशियां दा आया नी अज दिन खुशियां दा आया ओ अज दिन खुशियां दा आया ओ अज दिन खुशियां दा आया ओ चाचे चूड़ी कुट्टी जिमीदारा लुट्टी जिमीदार छुड़ाए ओ गिण गिण भोले आए ओ एक भोला रह गया सिपाही फड़ के लै गया सिपाही ने मारी इट भावे रो ते भावे पिट ओ सानू दे दे लोड़ी नी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी सानू दे दे लोड़ी नी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी सानू दे दे लोड़ी नी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी नी सानू दे दे लोड़ी नी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी सानू दे दे लोड़ी नी जीवे तेरी जोड़ी
Tonight, we travel across India, a country where every tradition carries a story, every region carries a rhythm, and every celebration carries a heart. And yet, beneath these colors and customs, we've discovered something greater, the values that connect all of us.
Yes, joy, gratitude, hope, and togetherness. No matter where we come from or which festival we celebrate, these feelings are the common threads that bind people across cultures and communities.
When we celebrate diversity, we just don't learn about others, we learn about ourselves. We realize that differences are not distances, they're bridges waiting to be crossed and stories waiting to be understood.
Through every festival we explored, we learned to think, to question, and to connect. Each tradition became a lesson, teaching us respect, empathy, and appreciation for the many ways people live and celebrate.
From the warmth of Pongal pots to the glow of Lori flames, from the dance of kites in Telangana to the sweetness of Bengal and the spirit of Assam, we saw India's beautiful truth.
We may speak different languages, we may celebrate in different ways, but we smile in the same way and we hope in the same way. We belong to one human family.
This is our learning. This is our journey. This is who we are. Young, curious, confident individuals, growing with strong values and understanding.
A heartfelt thank you to all our performers for bringing these stories alive on stage.
And to you, dear parents, thank you for nurturing and supporting us with love, trust, and encouragement.
As we come to the final moment of this journey, there is one last celebration waiting to unfold.
We now invite all our students and teachers on this stage for a joyful and a united celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stay with us and enjoy our grand finale, Sankranti, the festival of India, where traditions meet prosperity.
ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ 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 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ 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 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ 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 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಗರಂಗ ವೈಭವಂಗ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸಂದಳ್ಳೆ
ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਬਣਾਈ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਘੋੜੀ ਗਾਈ ਜਿਉਂਦੀ ਰਵੇ ਜੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਦਿਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਆਇਆ ਉਹ ਚਾਚੇ ਧੂੜੀ ਕੁੱਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਮੀਂਦਾਰਾਂ ਲੁੱਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਮੀਂਦਾਰ ਛਡਾਏ ਉਹ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਭੋਲੇ ਆਏ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਭੋਲਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੇ ਮਾਰੀ ਇੱਟ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਰੋ ਤੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਪਿੱਟ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਲੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਜੀਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੋੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਲੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਜੀਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੋੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਲੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਜੀਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਲੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਜੀਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੋੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਲੋੜੀ ਨੀ ਜੀਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੋੜੀ
I know all of you are very excited to see your parents, and your parents are excited to see you on the stage, right? Okay. I request all the parents to please take your seats. You're blocking the view of the parents who are sitting over there. And students. Can we continue our discipline by maintaining some silence? Okay, on a count of 1, 2, 3, you're all going to maintain silence. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you continue this silence for another 10 minutes? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Sita ma'am, for the ideation, bringing the cultural fabric of our country to one stage. How many of you have tapped your feet while the songs were being played? Everyone? Okay, very good. I really enjoyed the enthusiasm. All of you have, I could see that, when all of you are taking pictures of your lovely children over here. How many of you paid attention to the anchors? Did? So today, students, children, all of you, after going home, you have to conduct a quiz for your parents. Okay? Quiz, you all performed on, how many states have you all performed? 5 states, okay. Now on this 5 states, lot of information was given, right? So today you're going to conduct a quiz for your parents. Okay, all of you? Are you all ready, parents, for the quiz? Well, shh. This is theatre in education. Through theatre, how we help our students to build on their knowledge, acquire knowledge, and lot of skills that is required for theatre in education. This theatre in education, the Sankranti festival, coming from 5 different states. Can you name the states? Perfect, very good, good listeners. That was truly mesmerizing by each of the performers over here. The kind of knowledge they have acquired, the kind of precision each one of them had, the kind of sync each one of them had, it wouldn't have been possible without their discipline, without their self-management skills, without their communication skills. Can I request the anchors to stand up, please? All the anchors, where are you? Anchors, wherever you are, please stand up and raise your hand. All the anchors, only the anchors. Please stand up and raise your hand. All these anchors who anchored the complete show memorized the lines, gave a lot of practice to their modulation, and the way they articulated on the stage has shown how much of public speaking skills that they have built up. Along with them, the other students who are a part of the dance, they also memorized all the lines. When they were practicing for all the rehearsals that we were having, all the students also have almost memorized the anchoring lines as well. 3 shows back to back. Yesterday evening and today 2 shows. 20 days of practice, rigorous practice. And on day 21, we have seen such a beautiful, mesmerizing show for all the students and for all of you. While equally we were balancing our academics as well. Let me thank all the teachers over here. Shh. Let me thank all the teachers here for exploring the colorful costumes that all of you could get it on time. They had to research, they had to explore to see which costume will suit the best to these students, how colorful it's going to look on the stage. Thanks to all the teachers for putting up so much of time and sharing the information with the parents. And thank you all the parents for ensuring that the costumes reach you on time. For all the beautiful dancers over here, I invite Harish, Abhilasha to please come here. Please stand there facing the students. Please stand there for facing the students. Okay? All of you danced beautifully? So, on a count of 3, all of you together should thank Harish sir, Abhilasha ma'am and Samuel sir for all the pictures, background, including the ICT team. 1, 2, 3. Without your choreography, without the practice sessions, the schedules that you have created, this wonderful show wouldn't have been possible. To all the teachers for managing so much, academics and the dance practices, and ensuring that all of you come beautifully dressed up in the state that you are representing. Shilpa, Archana, where are you, Archana? For all the coordination with the teachers, the students and the parents, taking so many calls and giving the right information to the parents. Thank you so much for all the coordination. Sri Lakshmi, where are you? Please raise your hand wherever you are. A data entry, a DEO. For all the prints that we were asking you, for all the scripts that we were asking you, for all the worksheets also that we were asking you and troubling you so much back to back. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. and Srivalli ma'am as well. The ICT team, Anu Thomas, Abhilasha and Saujanya, where are you? And Samuel. For all the beautiful pictures that you have seen on the LED, thank you so much for all the background. The admin team, can I have our admin officer, Uma Maheshwar sir, over here? The admin team, Balaji, Anil, Venkanna. Thank you, sir, so much. Uma Maheshwar sir, thank you so much for ensuring all the logistics is in place and with all the safety measures in place. Thank you so much, sir. You and your team have really made it so seamless for all of us. Aparna ma'am, where are you? Aparna from Mighty Oak, she has coordinated with Rashid and team for all the stage, light and sound. Thank you so much. And the Celestia team, the crew here for capturing all the beautiful pictures and the dancers, thank you so much. These are the memories that we are going to carry forward. Sir, please kindly come on to the stage. Nilima ma'am, Chairman sir, Prasad sir. Coordinators, all the coordinators, Sri Priya, Vice Principal, Maushami, please come on to the stage. Sir, please. You want to say anything, sir? Please come, we'll take a group. కొంచెం నేను కిందకి వస్తారా నేను కిందకి వస్తాను మీరు నుంచి పైకి నుంచి కిందకి వస్తాను